Many of the people think that if they want to sell handmade products on Amazon, they have to make these products by themselves with their own hands, or they have to be an artist themselves in order to do that. But in reality, that is not the case. Even if you are not an artist, you can purchase some handmade products from someone else who is actually creating it, and you can actually sell those products on Amazon. And the cool thing about this model is, if you are willing to sell handmade products on Amazon, then you will get some advantages. Number one, like in handmade category on Amazon, there is not too much competition. So if you start selling handmade products on Amazon, so you can actually grow your business more faster than usual. And the reason behind low competition is this category basically require approval. Like if you want to sell handmade products on Amazon, you first have to apply for that. And if Amazon accept your application, then only you will be allowed to sell in this category. And this is one of the biggest reasons for this category to be low competitive. And believe me guys, there is too much potential in this category, and later in this video I'll show you some of the best selling listings in this category who are actually getting good amount of revenue every month by just selling in this category. So this category is having high demand and low competition. And if you are selling handmade products on Amazon, you can just list the same products on Etsy.com as well, because as you guys already know that Etsy is a platform which is basically designed to sell handmade products or home decoration products. So if you start selling your Amazon product in this category, you'll get too many advantages. And in this video, I'm going to share with you all the information in detail, step by step, like how you can find some good and winning handmade products that you can sell on Amazon and get too much good revenue. And I will also show you in this video like how and from where you can apply to sell in this category, and what tips and tricks you can apply to get approval fast, so you can start selling handmade jewelry or some other handmade products very fast. So this video is going to be super informative and helpful for you, because I'm going to be giving you some valuable tips in this video. And if you learn all of those tips and apply, so you can achieve your goal even more faster than usual. So if you're also excited to learn the whole process step by step, then keep on watching this video completely till the end, step by step, without skipping any part. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and on Google I have just searched Amazon Handmade, and from here I can see some links. So we need to open these two links. The first link is amazon.com/handmade, and the second link is sell.amazon.com/program/handmade. As you can see here, this second link is to apply to become an Amazon Handmade seller. So if you click on this apply now seller button, then you will be able to land on the page where you can submit the application. And if you click on this first link, Amazon Handmade, so you will be able to see the Amazon shop on which you can see some handmade products. So let's go on that page. So here you can see that we are on Amazon Handmade page right now, and on the left side of the search bar you can see that in category the handmade is selected. So if we go further down, we can see many of the good products here which are actually handmade and which are actually selling on Amazon. You can see that there are some handmade products in these categories like jewelry, home decoration, kitchen and dining, beauty and grooming, pets, clothing, stationery, and so on. So all of these products are basically handmade. So now at this point you might be having two questions in your mind. Number one is how you can actually apply on Amazon to sell your handmade products, or to purchase some handmade products from somewhere else and sell on Amazon. And the second question you must be thinking is how we can actually find some winning product for this category. So let's first see how we can apply on Amazon to sell our handmade product, and then we'll see how we can find some winning product. So to submit the application to sell handmade products on Amazon, you first need to go on Google and type Amazon Handmade as I said before, and you have to click on this apply now button. And then after clicking on that, you will be able to land on this page. So as you can see here, this is Amazon Handmade page, and this is basically an application page. You can find all of the information about this program here, like join our artisan only community for seller. So the reason behind this application is like Amazon don't allow every seller to sell on this category, because Amazon only allow those people who are actually an artist, and they are actually creating some products like jewelry and from home decoration niche, from pet niche, or from stationery niche from their hand. So this is basically a portion portion of Amazon which is dedicated to artists. So if you scroll down on this page further, you'll get some more information about that program. Like once you create a selling account, submit an application to join Amazon Handmade, approval to sell in Handmade comes with a waiver of professional selling fee. So as you can see that the selling fee for this program is the same as other selling fee like $39.99 a month, but to get the approval in this program, you might need to submit some data about your product. So before clicking on apply now, let's just go down and read some more information about this program, like why Handmade. So you can just read this whole paragraph to know the idea of Amazon behind this program, and if you go further down, you can see that this program is for artisan only, like all of those people who actually create something with their hand. But no worry, if you are not an artist, you can just purchase some product from other artists, from some supplier on Alibaba or AliExpress who are actually selling their handmade products, and then you can just get the approval from there with the help of those products, and then you can just start selling. For example, you are selling handmade candles, so you can just order 1 or 2 units of that candle from your supplier, and then along with that application, you can submit the details of that candle to Amazon. Like you need to prove with that application that this candle is 100% handmade, not the machine made, and this candle will comply all of the Amazon policies regarding handmade program. So if you do so as you can see here, this program is for artisan only, and the fee for this program is also same, and there is no hidden fee for this program, and you can actually use FBA in this program as well. So all of the other things are same in this program, except the product is handmade, not the machine made. So if you want to get the more information about this program, you can just scroll down on this page and you can just read all of the information from here, like FAQ and other things. And then you can just click on this apply now button, and then you can just click on get started. And here you need to fill out the form, like you need to fill out your information, the type of product you want to sell, and then later in this form you might have to submit your product pictures, information, the material, and all of those proof which you can use to show Amazon that that product is 100% handmade. So if you fill out this form and submit that application, and if your application and product idea will comply with Amazon policies, then you'll get the approval very fast. So after getting the approval, you need to go on Amazon again and then start finding some good handmade products that you can actually sell on Amazon. So on this page, as you can see here, the category is selected as handmade, and on the top bar you can see that there are some subcategories like gifts, jewelry, home and kitchen, clothing, and wedding. So we can just start doing our product research from that banner. You can see that under that banner we can find out many of the product category, and for example if we go to gifts and keepsakes, and in that category I can just open some category which I like cups and mugs and photo frames. And if we go back on jewelry, so from there we can just open necklaces. Alright, so here I have just opened 3 categories just to show you an example, but while doing your research you can just open all of the category one by one and put couple of hours in doing your product research to find out the best product for you which fits best to your criteria, like sales criteria, revenue criteria, and sourcing criteria. So after opening that category, you will be able to find all of those good products which are actually best selling in that category, and from there you will get multiple handmade product ideas as well. Like you can see that this is the first page which I click for gifts and keepsakes, and if I go further down, these are some candles which are actually handmade candles and they're actually selling very well. And if we go further forward, you can see some keychains, some pillow covers, and actually some bottle openers which are handmade and customized. And the most important and the cool thing about this is that all of these listings are actually best selling and are ranking in top of the category. But when you see the reviews, you can see that many of the listings are having less reviews, like only 146 reviews, 16 reviews, 3 reviews, 868 reviews, and 307 reviews. So only one listing here I can see having more than 1000 review, and all other listings are having less reviews. That means this category is low competitive, and if you take some good product ideas from there and start selling all of those products, then you can actually start earning a good amount of money after 2 or 3 months, because this category is untapped and many of the sellers usually avoid that category due to an approval. So for example, if you open this listing and if you go down, so you can see that in this whole category there are only 429 products listed. So that means there is too much low competition and only 429 sellers are selling their products in this subcategory. So from this you can just take the idea like how much low competitive this category is. And if we go on that listing which we have just opened, so we can see that these are basically handmade bottle opener and there is 307 rating. And if we go down and we can check the BSR, so the BSR in the main category handmade product is 282 and the BSR in subcategory is 1. and the category name is Handmade Bottle Opener. So as you can see here, in the main category the BSR is less than 1000, which means that this product is too much low competitive, and if you launch this product today, so the chances for your listing to get ranked on top of the pages or all of those keywords will be super high. So by using the same way, you can just find out many of the good product here, you can just explore some product ideas from here, and then after shortlisting find out some good product having low BSR, good profit margin and good sales. So when you start selling all of those products, do the proper keyword research and try to rank your product on all of those keywords which people are using who want to purchase the handmade product in that category. So if you do so and use some more keyword than your competitor, then your listing will rank super high and get super awesome sales. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.